Hey there guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Sparckman. I'm a game developer, and today we're going to create something like Edge of War. Here's our demo, and we're using tanks. Whoa, my tank won. Okay, he defeated 2 tanks. That's good. That's good. Oh no, he got defeated. He almost made it. You can do it. He's advancing. No, he was taken out. It's looking good. No, it looks like I'm losing. You can see that it will be very easy to add a level up system. For the moment, we're gonna get this to work. Alright, so open the example file, which you can find under the description below. Now, if you don't know what software I'm using for making games, there is a link down below where you can download the free version. There's also a link to the paid version, which allows you to create commercial games. And you will find a discount code. Now, for most things, you can use the free version. Alright, so let's go over the assets. Here's the explosion, which is just an animation. Here's the animation of the yellow tank. Now the other tank is identical except for its grain. We're using these 2 active objects for spawning the new tanks. We got 2 health bars. Now we got 2 per each tank. This one doesn't move, it's just a background. Counters, counter 1, yellow, and counter 2, green. Now if you run the frame, you'll notice that nothing happens. Now these tanks are set so they are not created at start. Now if the number of yellow tanks is equal 0, then we add 1 to the yellow counter. Bring the yellow counter into the screen. That works fine. When the yellow counter is equals 50, we set it back to 0. And we create a new tank. A yellow tank from the yellow spawn point. Try it out. There's our tank. We're gonna do the same thing for the green tank. Copy this. Paste it. Replace it for the green tank. Replace it for the green counter. And we're going to spawn a green tank over here. And instead of adding 1 to the yellow counter, we are going to add 1 to the green counter. Try it out. There are the 2 tanks. So when they get close to each other, they are going to stop. Line 5, compared to 2 general values under the yellow counter, position, distance with a point. For the X is going to be the X position of the green tank. For the Y is going to be the Y position of the green tank. And the distance needs to be lower than, say, 400. Let's do an insert. If the number of missiles is equals 0, and the number of green tanks is greater than 0, every 50 milliseconds, we're going to create a missile in front of our tank. Right here. There they are. And you can see that he shoots. He also needs to stop. I'm gonna copy line 5. Paste it, change the distance 200, delete this and this. So if the distance is 200, we are going to make our tank stop. Take out now this action can apply to both. They stop. Right, so we're gonna copy line 5, paste it, and we're gonna replace this for the yellow tank. Delete this here. And we're gonna create another rocket in front of the green tank. Try it out. That seems to work fine. So when our missile collides with the green tank, they will destroy the missile. And we're gonna create an explosion relative to the position of the rocket. When the animation for the rocket is finished, stop. Then we destroy the explosion. Try it out. Copy line 8, paste it, replace it for the yellow tank. Let's replace it for the evil rocket. And then we're going to destroy our red rocket. And we're going to create another explosion relative to the second rocket. Whoa, that works fine. So if the number of yellow tanks is equal to 1, then we set the health bar position right above the yellow tank. We can do the same thing for the red health bar, which doesn't do anything, it's just a background. You can see that that works fine. So every time the yellow tank is hit, we're going to subtract random range from 1 to 30. You can do the same thing for the green tank. Copy line 11, paste it, replace it for the green tank. We're gonna place the green health bar above the green tank, somewhere around here. Do the same thing for the red health bar. You can see that that works right away. If the health bar for our yellow tank reaches 0, then we destroy the tank. Copy this, paste it, and replace it for the green health bar. And if this turns 0, we're going to destroy the green tank. Here's our yellow counter. When this counter reaches 50, we are going to set the health bar back to 100. We're gonna do the same thing for the green tank. When this counter reaches 50, we'll refill the energy back to 100. I'm gonna copy line 7, paste it at the bottom, and when our distance is greater than 200, instead of making our tanks stop, we're going to make them start. That seems to work fine. One last touch. So line 13, we're going to destroy the good rocket. And line 14, we're going to destroy the evil rocket. Line 11 and 12, paste it at the bottom. Probably organize this better after. Equals 0. Equals 0. Change the position of the health bar anywhere outside the screen. Same for the yellow. That works fine. Perfect. That works fine. Whoa, he was gonna win that time. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you didn't like the video, smack the dislike button. And now it's time for the first and top comment. And our top comment is Miles the Creator. Whoa, your top comment. Bad news, what is this? Hello everyone, no news for you. And now it's time for the first comment. Okay, so thanks for watching. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter account is SparckmanX. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye now. And it's coffee time.